Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a new design in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, we have to write our text. I'm using the simple text font and I'm creating a rectangle with round corner and convert it to path. Now modify the rectangle using this technique, and actually I don't want to show you how to make logo. Actually I want to show you how to make uh, a glowing effect in Inkscape. Now you can delete the unwanted object, break apart these and delete it. I think still we need some modification for this shape. Okay, I think this is okay now. mm, Actually I'm not satisfying. mm, Modify it and now I think we have to rotate it. Yes, so yes, this is okay now. Now select all these and go to path and click on union. Now this is a single object. You can now modify it by node edit tool. Now select again this one and go to extension and apply long shadow plugin. You can adjust it according to your need. Actually my design is so small, so I am using value according to my object. 120. Yes, I think this is okay. 1. Okay, apply. Now this is a group object, so first we have to ungroup it. Go to object and ungroup it. After ungrouping, you can select this one and change the color. Now select all the green one, and this is still in group, so we have to first ungroup it. After the ungrouping, go to path and click on union. Now green one is also a single object. Now create a background. I am creating a rectangle. Change the color of this background and we have to send it to back. Still we have to change the color and lock the object. Now select only the object from behind. Go to object and click on raise to top. So this is our object. Now select the green one and change the color. Now select this one and again duplicate it. After duplicating, change the color. Now we have to arrange these objects like this. Okay. Now we have to carefully select white and red one object and go to object and click on raise to top. Actually black one is the shadow object. Yes. Now select the white object and duplicate it. Yes. Now select the red one. Select the red one and duplicate. Sorry. Before the red one selection, red one, change the color of newly duplicated white object. Now duplicate the red one. Now select both the newly duplicated object. All these are newly duplicated object and click on difference. Do not confuse, you can watch it again. And I am changing the color of this object. Now I am applying blur effect for this object. Okay. Now sorry, just remove the blur effect, and first we have to select the black object and apply the blur effect. Now again select the white one and apply the blur effect. Okay. Now again duplicate the white one. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and increase the blur. Again duplicating the white one and I'm increasing the blur. Okay, I think this is okay. Now select again the red one carefully. You have to select it carefully because white is covering all the object. So now I have selected the red one and I'm going to change the color of this object. I think this is okay. I think we will use this. We'll use this color. Now unlock the background and change the color of this object. I'm using the same color for the text and background. Now I'm creating some circle and change the color, duplicate it and change the color, again duplicate it and change the color. I am pressing Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. So there is 4 circle. Now select all these and apply the blur effect. And apply the blend mode. You can modify the circle. I have selected circle, and you can play with the blur effect, or you can play with blend mode. Yes, so change the color of the background. I'm using the radial gradient. Double click on the line to add the node. Now we have to modify the circle, or we have to duplicate it again and again. We need some more modification, so I'm going to duplicate some circle, or you can also create circle and apply the blur effect on this circle. Yes, duplicate it. Hold Ctrl plus D to duplicate it, or you can resize the circle. I think this is okay, and I know you can make better than me. Please try it with your own color combination, and thank you for your support, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.